Now we all want to have a healthy, attractive smile, but a large part of Americans neglect their oral health. No good, and it's because of fear of the dentist or anxiety about pain. So, TotalBeauty.com released this list of the 14 worst cities when it comes to teeth, and Mobile, number 3 on that list. That is no good. So this morning we have Dr. Gabriel Chamberlain and Ramona, who is his nurse, joining us to talk a little bit how we can relieve that anxiety, because a lot of people are afraid of the dentist. Now, why did we rank that high? And here is what TotalBeauty.com has to say. Number 5, smokiest city. The state is number 4 in most teeth loss, and number 48 in dentists per capita, number 47 in exercise. And as we were talking over the break, you said that fear and anxiety is also another reason.
Absolutely. We think around 50 million Americans don't go to the dentist or put off going to the dentist because they're just afraid. And as a result of that, people lose teeth and a lot of times lose all their teeth. And so dentists today are really concerned about those people that don't come in. We want to do all we can to help them get into the dentist and take care of themselves and become healthy.
Absolutely. I mean, oral health is so important, not only for, you know, again, that beautiful smile, but I mean, poor oral health can cause so many diseases of the gums and the mouth, but also even heart disease. So this is something that we want to prevent, and you guys have some ways where you can make things a little bit easier, right?
Right.
There's a new device that's been around for just a little while, and you know, when I was just out of dental school, you know, they taught us to, you know, to distract the patient, to kind of shake their cheek.
Yeah.
And that, you know, that works. It's a good technique. But we got something today called the Dental Vibe, and it's a device that when you go to give the injection, you place on the gum next to where you're going to give the injection, and I'll turn it on. And it shakes, it makes a little noise, and you press it against the gum tissue. Here, let me see your finger.
Okay.
And
okay, yeah, I see where that would be distracting.
And it is at a certain frequency, and you actually can give an injection and not even actually feel the injection.
That is very good. A very useful tool. And I'm sure that, you know, usually you see the nurse before you see the dentist, so I'm sure there's some things that you do to ease everybody's pain as they walk in. And, you know, if somebody walks in very scared, do you have some things that you say to them to calm them down a little bit?
Right. Well, I just take my time. We all in the office, the whole team and staff are very aimed to making the patient feel as comfortable as possible. And we just listen to them and answer their questions, and you know, explain what we do, why we do it, and just make them feel comfortable as much as possible.
So just talking to them, making them feel comfortable, and of course the new technology. So you guys seems like have a very just a serene environment, a nice environment. So if someone has been putting off that dental health, how can they find you?
We're located in Spanish Fort, Alabama. We're in the Yellow Pages, and of course on the internet.
On the internet, okay. And that information is on our website as well, under the Studio 10 tab on fox10tv.com. If you've been putting off going to the dentist, don't do it any longer. Make sure that you get your teeth checked out. And thank you both for coming in and being here this morning. We will be right back, so don't go away.